I decided to go back to school to earn my degree to better myself and change my career path that would allow me to be a little bit more with my family. My passion lies with plants and horticulture, and when I did my research, eCampus for Oregon State University, it just fit all my needs for my busy lifestyle with my family. It just was one of the top ranked schools in the country for horticulture, especially for the online campus. In the horticulture program, we have labs that we get sent to our homes. I'm a very kinesthetics kind of guy, so I'm able to get more into it. So going outside and using the lab kits, it's definitely a help. I enjoy them a lot. I got the job teaching at Lake Gibson Middle School as a agriculture teacher, and they're going to allow me to do an aquaponics program, and this degree helped me land that job, because without a bachelor's you're not be able to teach. It means a whole lot earning this degree, the first in my family to earn a bachelor's, and coming from my background, it's a huge deal. It's just been a very tremendous thing for me and my family.